Whenever I use one of these, I feel 30 years older.
Bending over this is very painful. I see the way people look at me. I need stability, not sympathy.
Introducing Motivo, the most innovative, comfortable walker ever created, giving you the support you need and the dignity you deserve. Motivo's upright walking design gives you the ability to walk farther, easier, and safer. You'll get the freedom to go anywhere, anytime.
For years, I never wanted to go out. It was such a hassle. But now with my Motivo, I'm back in action.
1970s era walkers with fixed seats force the user to walk behind the walker with the spine in a forward bent position. Motivo's stowaway seat design puts the user inside the walker. This aligns the spine, reducing back and neck pressure by 60%.
Motivo's patented design and Life in Reach technology puts you closer to everyday items like sinks and countertops and features the largest integrated private storage compartment available, along with a stowaway padded seat with backrest and folding tray with 2 cup holders. At under 20 pounds, Motivo packs up quickly to travel with you. Thousands of users of all ages agree Motivo is the new standard for short-term and long-term mobility.
I can stand up straight and tall. It's sturdy, it's comfortable.
This thing moves around like a dream.
Call or log on to buymotivo.com to see the entire line of innovative walkers, including color options, and enjoy it risk-free for 30 days. If you don't love Motivo, simply send it back and we'll refund your purchase price. So call or log on now.
More freedom, less pain, no embarrassment. Getting the Motivo is the best decision I've ever made.